Let's be honest, money can be stressful. We all know that feeling, the constant worry about bills, the fear of not having enough, the frustration of watching your hard-earned cash disappear into thin air. You're not alone. Millions of people grapple with these financial anxieties every single day. But the good news is, you don't have to live like this. Today, we're going to demystify budgeting and show you how to take control of your finances one step at a time. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can achieve your dreams, whether it's traveling the world, buying a home, starting a business, or simply enjoying more peace of mind. Imagine a life where you're not constantly stressed about money. Imagine having the financial security to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and live life on your own terms. That's the power of effective budgeting. We'll cover the basics of budgeting, explore the popular 50-30-20 rule, and provide you with a solid foundation for making smart financial decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to budget your money effectively, empowering you to make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. You'll learn to track your spending, identify areas for improvement, and create a budget that works for you. So let's dive in and learn how to budget like a pro. The foundation of any good budget is understanding your income. This is the money you earn from all sources. They can be broadly categorized into 4 types. Salary. This is your regular income from your primary job. Freelance income. This includes income from any side hustles, such as freelancing, gig work, or online businesses. Investment income. This can include dividends from stocks, interest from savings accounts, or rental income from property. Other income. This could include things like bonuses, commissions, gifts, or any other money that comes your way. Take a moment to think about all your income streams. Don't forget any bonuses, commissions, or any other money that comes your way. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin, expenses. These are the costs associated with living. They can be broadly categorized into 2 types, needs. These are essential expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, internet, groceries, transportation, healthcare, and minimum debt payments. These are the absolute must-haves. Wants. These are the things that make life enjoyable, but aren't strictly necessary for survival. Think dining out, entertainment, movies, concerts, shopping, travel, hobbies, subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, and impulse purchases. It's important to understand the difference between needs and wants. This clarity will help you make conscious spending decisions. For example, while a daily latte might seem like a small expense, it can significantly impact your budget over time. Now, let's explore a popular budgeting guideline, the 50-30-20 rule. This simple yet effective framework can help you allocate your income strategically. 50% of your income should go towards needs. This ensures you can cover your essential living expenses without financial strain. 30% of your income can be allocated to wants. This allows you to enjoy life and indulge in your passions without overspending. 20% of your income should go towards savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for building financial security, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, retirement, or paying off high-interest debt. The 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a rigid rule. You can adjust these percentages based on your circumstances and financial goals. For example, if you have a significant amount of student loan debt, you might allocate a larger portion of your income towards debt repayment. Let's look at a real-world example. If you earn $3,000 per month according to the 50-30-20 rule, $1,500 would be allocated to needs like rent, utilities, and groceries. $900 would be available for wants like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. $600 would go towards savings and debt repayment. This provides a clear framework for allocating your income and helps you prioritize your spending. Remember, this is just an example, and you'll need to adjust these figures based on your own unique financial situation. Let's address some common misconceptions about budgeting. Budgeting is restrictive. This couldn't be further from the truth. Budgeting actually gives you more freedom. By understanding where your money is going, you can make conscious choices and spend your money on the things that truly matter to you. Instead of feeling restricted, you gain control over your finances. I can't afford to budget. Everyone can benefit from budgeting, regardless of their income level. It's about making the most of your resources, not necessarily cutting back on everything. Even with a limited income, budgeting helps you prioritize your spending and make sure your essential needs are met. Budgeting is too complicated. Budgeting doesn't have to be complex. There are many simple and user-friendly methods and tools available, like the 50-30-20 rule that can help you get started. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and improving your financial well-being. By understanding your income and expenses, and by implementing a simple budgeting framework like the 50-30-20 rule, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, every small step you take towards financial literacy brings you closer to a more secure and fulfilling future. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all achieve financial freedom. Our next video will explore the importance of building an emergency fund. Stay tuned.